gut health, and the tiny microbe scientists study most your gut affects more than digestion. I started paying attention to gut health after weeks of feeling bloated and tired after meals that never used to bother me. Every video online promised a miracle fix: one drink, one powder, one secret bacteria. Honestly, the internet made my stomach feel stressed before breakfast even started. So I stopped listening to hype and started reading what doctors and research papers actually say about the gut microbiome. Simple science behind the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is the community of bacteria and microorganisms living inside the digestive system. According to the NIH and Harvard Health, these microbes help with digestion, vitamin production, immune balance, and communication with the nervous system. Scientists believe gut health may influence many parts of the body, but the system is extremely complex. One microbe gets mentioned often in research. A bacterium called Akkermansia muciniphila has received attention in metabolic health studies. Researchers found that this microbe may help support the gut lining and interact with inflammation and metabolism in interesting ways. Studies published in Nature Medicine and other journals linked higher levels of Akkermansia with healthier metabolic markers in some people. But here's the important part many videos skip. No single microbe fixes the gut overnight. The microbiome works like an ecosystem, not a superhero movie with one main character saving the city. Fiber feeds helpful gut bacteria. This was the biggest lesson for me. Beneficial microbes often thrive when people eat enough fiber from vegetables, oats, beans, fruits, nuts, and seeds. According to the Mayo Clinic, fiber supports digestion and helps nourish healthy gut bacteria through fermentation in the colon. The funny part is that I spent money on expensive probiotic drinks while ignoring basic vegetables for weeks. My refrigerator looked like a chemistry lab but somehow contained no spinach. Fermented foods may also help. Foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut contain live microorganisms that may support microbial diversity in some people. Research suggests fermented foods may influence gut bacteria and digestion, although responses vary between individuals. Sleep and stress affect the gut too. According to research from the NIH, poor sleep and chronic stress may influence gut bacteria and digestive symptoms through the gut-brain connection. That means fixing gut health is not only about food. Your daily routine matters too. Avoid unnecessary antibiotic use. Antibiotics can be life-saving when medically needed, but unnecessary use may disrupt gut bacteria balance. Always follow medical guidance instead of self-treating. Be careful with extreme gut cleanses. Many online gut reset products make exaggerated promises without strong evidence. Harsh detoxes, excessive supplements, or restrictive diets may irritate digestion instead of helping it. Check with your doctor first. People with digestive disorders, immune conditions, or ongoing symptoms should speak with a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes or using supplements. Here's what genuinely helped me most: eating more fiber consistently, drinking enough water, sleeping better, reducing ultra-processed foods, and adding fermented foods gradually instead of expecting overnight results. Boring advice? Maybe. Useful advice? Definitely. Track digestion and energy levels. Watch for gradual improvements in bloating, regularity, comfort after meals, and daily energy over several weeks. The truth is simple. Gut health is shaped by long-term habits, not one magical microbe melting germs at lightning speed. Healthy bacteria grow best in a balanced environment supported by good food, sleep, hydration, and consistency. Sometimes the smallest daily habits quietly create the biggest internal changes. Share your favorite gut-healthy food. Healthy routines start one meal at a time.